Here's how I make this box pouch. I use it as a makeup pouch. So to make this pouch, the first thing you're going to do is print out your template pieces and cut all of it out. It comes in A4 and US letters, so use the size that works for you. Now you should have your outer piece, your lining piece, and your fusible interfacing. Take your fusible fleece and put the bumpy side with the glue down on the wrong side of your outer piece. Then lay your lining piece face up, right on top. Now you're going to sew all along the edge. I do about a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Take your 2 E-pieces and fold them in half and iron. Then take the raw edge and line it up with one of the short ends. And then you're going to sew down where those black marks are on either side. Now you're going to flip everything over and fold over each of those edges. Pin in place, and then you're going to sew each side. When it's sewn, now you're going to take your zipper and line it up, pin it in place, and you're going to sew on your zipper. After you've sewn that side, you're going to flip it over to the other side and line up the other edge with the other side of your zipper. Pin in place, and then you're going to sew on that side of the zipper. After you've done that, you're going to take your G pieces and you're going to fold it in half, fold those 2 edges in, and then fold it all over. And then you're going to sew on those 2 outer ends. Now we're going to flip everything so that we have our lining facing out. Take those tab pieces and fold them in half and line up the raw edge with either side. It should be centered with the zipper. Pin in place, and then you're going to sew all the way down each side. Make sure that your zipper is open. Now with our F pieces, we're going to cut out our corners. Take 2 of your H pieces and you're going to flip everything over and place your H piece up with the edge on either end, and you're going to sew straight down with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Flip it out, tuck it under, and you're going to sew that down. Do the same thing on the other side. After that is sewn, you're going to box your corners. So I'm just opening up each corner and lining up my edges, making sure that my seams are all centered. Now you're going to sew straight across each of those corners. After you've done that, you're going to take your other H pieces and you're going to line it up with each of your corners and roll and tuck and sew those in place on each corner. After you've done that, flip everything right side out, turn out your corners, and then you're done. I hope you enjoy.